we're going to have a look at a 3-octave scale. Now, there's no real set rule for this. This is just really about exploring the fretboard and really being able to cover from the low end of the neck all the way through to the high end. So we'll start it off with just the open A minor, the first few notes off that. And this is good if you are playing some sort of rhythm and you're going to slip into the lead. It's an easy spot to start rather than jumping right up into the high. So there's our open A minor, and the first few notes just 0, 2, 3. Now we're going to move that up into part of the E position for A minor, and that's here. Okay, that is a 5, 7, and 8. So that's our first octave. That gives you some nice low end to play with. Alright, really nice little sliding runs on that. Really good descending runs on this as well. So you've got your so it's a great little part. That's your first octave. So we've now here we're going to jump into our second octave. All right. So that's there on your 7th. 7, 9, 10, 7, 9, 10, 8, 10. So that's that second octave. Now this gives you a little bit more speed and combinations to play with here. So it's quite fast. It's a really fast section that you can play with. Now, if I want, I could have moved up here, but I like this next little bit. Gives you a lot of options to slide right up onto the top. And if you're going in and doing fast runs or any bends, bits and pieces, this is a good place to do it. So, all right, so same sort of pattern, and you've got your 10, 12, 13, 10, 12, 13. Then our notes to finish, 15, 17. Okay, so you've gone right up the neck there. So we'll do that one again. Now with this part, you've got your nice high parts where you can finish off, or get those descending runs coming in. Right. So now we've got 1, 2, 3 octaves to play with. When we put it together, we're just going to go through it, and it's really up to you to come up with how you're going to play this. So we're not going to sit here and practice running up and back. I don't think there's enough notes to even turn around left on the fretboard when we do this one, but we'll go with it. So we have our first octave, second octave, and third octave. Right, put it together a bit more smoothly. And again. All right. Now, what we can do with this is pretty amazing though. So when we're doing our runs, you can really get a bit of a non-stop run going. So you can get a huge run there, and so big long runs. And of course, when you start to get that fast and really practice it, you can get some amazing lead stuff coming out of it. So do give it a good go. Have a play, and we'll see you next time.